What's up guys? Hello. So, welcome na naman sa isang edisyon ng ating ukulele tutorials with me, Adi. And this is my channel, Know That Chord, where you can learn your favorite songs on ukulele. So, wala nang intro. Simulan na natin to. So, ang song na aaralin natin today, or gagawa natin ng tutorial, is a song from Janno Gibbs, which is entitled Fallin. So, without the G at the end. So, Fallin. So, let's start. Ang original key nito is a half step higher than the standard tuning. So, kung may capo kayo, you can put your capo on the first fret. Yan, para mas mataas yung tunog. So, imagine this is the capo. And the chord that you are doing is the G chord. So, it's something like this. So, yan yung original niyang key. Kasi first chord niya is G. So, pero for the sake of tutorial purpose natin, I'll run it on standard tuning, which is in GCEA. Kasi not everyone, I think, may capo sila. So, tsaka mas maganda rin naman siya tugtugin kapag nasa standard tuning lang. So, let's begin. First chord natin is a G chord. So, 1, 2, 3. So, in G chord, and the next chord is a C add 9. But intro chord, or ang intro ay may plucking part. So, it's plucked like this. So, 2 times yan. So, 2, 3, 0, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 0. Open yung sa ilalim. Then 2, 3, 2. And then next one is 0, 0, 2, 0, 5. So, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 5. So, yun yung intro niya. Ulitin natin. Then, verse chords natin is same lang din ang intro. Chords, G, and then C add 9. Pero same lang din ang gagawin kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa intro, and then yun din yung ginagawa mo sa first part ng verse. So, it's like this. Our friendly conversations turning into little sweet sensations. And the next chord is A minor 7, and they're only getting, then D, sweeter every, balik sa G. Our friendly get together, turning into visions of forever. If I just believe this foolish heart of mine. So, yun yung verse, tatapos sa G. Then, next chord natin is ang refrain. Refrain chords ay starting with B7. Pwedeng ganyan or pwedeng ganito na B7. Yun. 1, 2, 3. Yan. I prefer this one, but because it sounds more clear. So, I can't pretend. E minor. Then D, that I'm just a friend. G, then A minor 7, cause I'm thinking maybe we were meant to be. D7, so bar chord, and then ito. So ulitin natin yung refrain. I can't pretend that I'm just a friend, cause I'm thinking maybe to be. So, chorus chords starting with G. I think I'm falling. B minor 7, falling. Then C add 9, in love with you. 2 times. times, and I don't know what to do. A minor 7, I'm afraid to turn away. Then D7, but I'd say it anyway. Then balik sa intro, I think I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Then next verse. Matapos na ito. I'm falling for you. So, tapos sa G. So, yun. Dali lang siya, di ba? So, for more ukulele tutorials, please comment in the comment section below. Shoutout sa anak ko si 2D. Siyempre, hindi ko makakalimutan i-shoutout every single video tutorial na gagawin natin. So, shoutout anak. Hi 2D. So, may aso pa sa kapitbahay. Ayan, ingat kayo during this pandemic, guys. I know it's still pandemic. Bawal pa rin tayong lumabas. Yun lang muna siguro. See you guys next time. Again, this is Adi, and this is my channel, Chord, where you can learn your favorite songs on ukulele. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.